Welcome my dear students to English Honeydew, and today we will be doing Unit 2, the tsunami, and this is the first part of this video. Children, have you ever heard of this word tsunami? Its spelling and pronunciation is also a bit different. The spelling starts with T, but while pronouncing it you hear the word tsunami. So this T is actually silent. So you have to start from S, but while writing it begins with T and it is pronounced as tsunami. T is silent. Okay, now this tsunami is actually a natural calamity. You know what is natural calamity? I'm sure you know what is the meaning of natural. Natural means which occurs naturally. There is no human involvement in that. And calamity is equal to destruction. Okay, so natural calamity always causes destruction. One such example is earthquake. Since Kutch has already gone through and we all know that how devastating it was and what all trauma it has left behind the people, those who have lost their dear ones, lost their property and all. So this chapter talks about one such natural calamity which is really devastating, which has caused a lot of destruction. Destruction in the sense they have lost their things, their shelter, their loved ones, their near ones. So always natural calamities brings a lot of sorrow. So this chapter is about human beings, those who have gone through this experience. And as we read the chapter, we'll come to know that in India, our Andaman and Nicobar Island and some of the southern region were badly affected of this tsunami. And here we do come across the countries like Thailand and Indonesia, where some people had badly experienced because they were near to the coastal region, because this occurs near to the coastal region. It is actually an earthquake caused underwater, that is under the ocean. Birds need trees and mankind needs both of them. Children, it's very important that if human beings have to survive on this planet, they need animal kingdom as well as plant kingdom. Then only this planet will be complete. Our survival is incomplete without them. We are depending on them in many of our needs. So human beings, they consider themselves to be most intelligent creature on this planet, and due to which they are exploiting the planet by misusing whether it's the plants or minerals or you know, nowadays there are so many creatures those who are getting endangered and extinct because of our greed. Okay, we have been cutting down the forests, the trees, so their natural habitat is not there, due to which these creatures are getting endangered and extinct. So we need both trees, birds need trees the same way mankind needs both of them. Protecting the nature and environment is not only a matter of ethics but a matter of existence. Let's get into the introduction of this chapter. As I have said before also, it's a natural calamity causing huge destruction and loss of life and property, which is very much evident as you will read this chapter. Tsunami refers to a very large and powerful wave in the sea. So the huge waves, the gigantic waves are actually tsunami. This chapter mentions about one such calamity that hit on 26 December 2004. It's a true event that took place that devastated our planet Earth, and especially the coastal region where it occurred. The coastal parts of India, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Thailand. The tsunami is a story of deep sorrow and reassuring details of courage, survival and resilience. So children, as you take this chapter, the first page of this chapter you will find the map, and this is a map of Andaman and Nicobar You can even see that they have mentioned North Andaman, Middle Andaman, Lower Andaman, and yes, you can also see Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of this union territory, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and this further they have mentioned more. Just go through the map. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a union territory of India consisting of two groups of islands at the Bay of Bengal. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. Now here you have on page 25, rewrite the incorrect ones after correcting the mistake. So here you need to make some corrections. Kachal or Katal. Now see, proper nouns you can pronounce it anyway. Anyway means according to the spellings you can pronounce it. Is a Nicobar island. It is part of the Nicobar group of island. Nankauri is an island. Children, I hope you know the meaning of island. Island means a land which is surrounded with water. It is the Nicobar group. Kachal and Nankauri are more than 100 miles apart. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are to the east of India. Where it is situated? Towards the east of India. The Nicobar Islands are to the north of the Andaman Islands. See that how these huge waves have been hit to Indonesia, Thailand and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, 15,000 people lost their lives in India, many around the world. Okay, so see, the sea looks very calm, but during the time of this tsunami, the waves became so gigantic and so huge, and it had entered the big buildings. It was so devastating. You can see the huge waves. Okay, so see, you can see the destruction of how much it has caused to the human beings and people. See, the waves are coming and people are running to save their lives. See, it has already entered. See, this is a resort near to that beach. See, everything is washed away. And see, this is after that tsunami, the destruction pictures you can see here. No, actually there is an earthquake which has caused on the ocean.
So what had triggered the tsunami waves? It was the earthquake.
Okay, the earthquake is the real cause of tsunami, and due to which the waves have been lifted to certain height. Children, you can watch even more videos are there on YouTube regarding the tsunami. You can see how devastating it was during that time. Now here they are showing that what exactly happened. It was of 9.1, that earthquake measured 9.1 under ocean. See, which caused the uplifting of these waves.
This water lined coastlines along the ocean. Indonesia being next to the epicenter.
So children, you can watch some of it from the YouTube also. So children, homework for today's session is, first thing is you are going to go through some of the videos on YouTube to know more about tsunami. There are many beautiful videos about this natural calamity. Even in India, like in Andaman and Nicobar, what all loss they had because of this natural calamity, that also you can very clearly you can see. Then after that you are going to read this chapter and you will be doing the true and false, which is at the end of this chapter. I know we have not started reading, but this is for an activity for you, that after reading, whether you are able to do it or not, I will be giving the answers, but I want you to at least try. Then you will be writing the word meanings in notebook. So that's for today, and now bye till we meet again.